How you can recover your lost Brawl Stars account. So first of all, what you need to do is to simply open up any browser that you are using and simply search for recover Brawl Star account. Once you search for this, you're just gonna need to make sure to go for the first one, which is account/Brawl Star. Now once you are in, you're just gonna need to make sure to click on recover your account, which is in the middle of your screen, and then you have to choose the option that I have lost access to my account. So simply click there, and then you're gonna need to scroll down, and this is going to show you some steps to lost account recovery. So you need to make sure to read all of them, and once you are done, you can simply scroll down until you see the third option, which is saying contact us. So if none of the above works, you need to simply make sure to contact the Supercell support team. So click on the three bars on the top right, and make sure before going further, log in to your Supercell ID. So simply enter your email and verification code. Now once you have logged in, click on support on the top left of your screen, and then you're gonna need to scroll down until you see contact form. So simply click on it, and then you're gonna need to simply select the category, which is going to be something else, and then simply enter your account name, your email address, and type the message that I want to recover my lost Brawl Star account. Once you type this message, you just gonna need to submit the report, and you need to wait for the Supercell support to respond you via email on the update of your lost account. So that's the way of how you can recover your lost Brawl Star account.